As you can see in front of me, I have every single color for the Galaxy Buds 2. Now, really quickly, let me go ahead and show you this. Galaxy Buds, they were originally released March 9th, 2019. Then they came out with the Galaxy Buds Plus in February 2020. My favorite Galaxy Buds out of all 5 of these. I'll explain that in a little bit. Then you had the Galaxy Buds Lives. Those were the bean style earbuds that were horrible. They're more for like being able to hear your surroundings. Then you had the Galaxy Buds Pro, which weren't bad. And now in August 2021, they released these Galaxy Buds 2. Now, if you're an Apple user, sorry, for the most part, these earbuds are not for you. You will not be able to get the most out of these earbuds because you won't be able to utilize the app. And for Android users, if you're thinking about upgrading to this Galaxy Buds 2 and you have the Pluses or you have the Pros or you have the Lives, stick around. Let's talk about this for a second.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. So these earbuds are currently going on sale for around $150 right now. As always, I'll put the links in down below. And these come in 4 colors. As you can see, you have the graphite, you have the lavender, you have the olive, and you have the white color right here. Personally, my favorite color is the lavender ones. Sorry, it's backwards, so it's hard for me to see what you know what I'm talking about. Battery life on these earbuds. So with ANC on, you'll get around 5 hours of playback time, additional 15 hours of playback time with the charging case for a total of 20 hours of playback time. And then with ANC off, you'll get around 7.5 hours of playback time on a single charge. And the charging case will charge these back up around 21 hours, maybe 21.5 hours, for a total of around 29 to 30 hours of playback time. And also that battery life depends on the level at which you have your music at as well. Going around the box on the back side, it says clear and rich sounds with 2-way speakers. So that's talking about the drivers in here. Active noise canceling. I'll get more into that inside the app. You have your comfort fit. And to be completely honest with you, me personally, out of all the earbuds that are in the Samsung Galaxy Buds lineup, I do believe that these are the most comfortable. And then also, just like all the other buds, you have sound by AKG. Okay, yeah, people, so here they are. As you can see, they all are in a white case. And as you open them up, you do have the color of the earbuds on the inside of each case. So you have your graphite color, you have your lavender color, you have your olive color, and then you also have, this is your white color, so you have your white color. All the contents that comes inside the box, you do have a USB type A to USB Type-C cable, and you get 2 additional ear tips. You get a large and a small inside of here, so making sure you get that perfect fit will really help out with the passive noise isolation in combination with the active noise cancellation to get that better sound. The literature inside the box, it's just a quick start guide. I believe it talks about the app and how to set it all up and everything. Oh yeah, and really quickly, I did forget that these do have a charge time of around, I think it was 1.5 hours to 2 hours. I really couldn't find it, but you do have a USB Type-C port on the back side right here, so I do believe that 2 hours max, if you drain these completely, will get the job done. Okay, so quickly going around this charging case right here on the back side, you do have your USB Type-C charging port. Like I said earlier, these are capable of being wirelessly charged. Let me go ahead and show you that right now. Set this on top of this wireless charging pad, and as you can see, the light comes on right here. It's a very small and sleek case. I mean, this is a perfect size in my opinion, and compared to the AirPods Pro, as you can see right here, this is a more square version. This is a more of a rectangle version, pretty much the same size if you just take in consideration of the different shape. So I'm not complaining about that whatsoever. I do like the shape of this. I actually like the look, the two-tone look that you get. On the inside right here, as you can see, you do have your earbuds sitting nice inside of there. They are held in by magnets, so you don't have to worry about that tipping them upside down. The lid door right here is also held down by a magnet. Is it magnet or spring action? Yeah, it's a magnet, and tipping them upside down, they won't fall out, so you don't have to worry about that. They're nice and secure. I mean, if you drop them, they probably will pop open and fall out, but if they're rolling around in a gym bag, a purse, or something like that, you're probably good money. And then also, you got your Samsung logo on the outside right here. And you do have another indicator light on the inside right here that tells you when the earbuds are charging or if they're done charging. So that's 2 indicator lights all together. Now, getting to the earbuds themselves, as you can see, they are an all plastic design right here. You do have 2 microphones on the outside of these earbuds to help out with noise cancellation and ambient mode. I think you do have another microphone on the inside of these earbuds for a total of 3 mics on these earbuds, 2 on the outside, 1 on the inside. On the inside, you also have your automatic ear detection sensor. I believe that's what it's called. Either way, it's a sensor to detect that it's when it's in your ears or not. So if you take these out, the music will stop and all of that good stuff. Let me go ahead and throw these in my ears to see how they actually, to show you how they actually look. The main thing about these is what you want to make sure is that you get a good seal when it comes to using the ear tips. So make sure that you pick out the ear tips properly so that you get the best sound possible. But overall, the comfort, the feel, the look, I really do like all of that. Out of all 5 earbuds in the Galaxy Buds lineup, I do think that these are the most comfortable ones. That's just for me. I know some other people that might like the Pros or definitely not the Lives. The Pros or the Pluses better. But for me, these are it right here. Now, like I said in the intro, if you're an Apple user and you're watching this video, yes, you compare these to your phone, but you will not have the ability to adjust ambient mode, transparency mode, none of that. You can just pause the music and play the music and in and answer phone calls. That's all you get. You can, all the other controls, turn the volume up, turn the volume down, skip the track forward, move the track back, has to be done from your phone. The biggest thing is that you won't be able to adjust the ambient mode with all the other features inside of the app like you would normally be able to do on any other earbud. And Samsung, if you watch this video, you probably won't watch this video, but if someone from Samsung watches this video, why don't you just have the same app that you use on the Galaxy Buds Pluses, which is available on iOS, to sync up to these earbuds right here and all of the other earbuds in the Galaxy Buds line. To get more people to buy these earbuds, it would be in your best interest and make the app available to everybody. Okay, so as you can see here, Android users, you want to download this Galaxy wearable app right here, and then just open up, let me go ahead and set that down right there, and then just open up one of these earbuds. Just open up your earbud case. And let me see, hit start, connect, blah, 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 scanning for device. And there you go. It pops up right there. You have your earbuds right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that, connecting to your earbuds. And it says Bluetooth pairing request. Go ahead and hit pair. And then there you go. They're paired to your mobile device. I think there's a little bit more steps involved in that. I actually paired these to my mobile device earlier, so it was all set up a little bit. I just disconnected them so that I can show you that process. It's a very simple, seamless process. And then so when I put these in my ears, like I said before, you have the ability to have extra control over things inside the app, unlike the iPhone users. So underneath these 3 tabs right here, as you can see, this is where you add a device. You can manage your devices right here. You can see the devices that I have. You also get your app notifications, contact us, and about this app right here. And so now it says see the battery status and set noise controls right from your home screen. I don't want to do that right now. I think that's adding a widget to the actual home screen. I don't want to do that right now. And here you go. You have your noise control. So you can set your active noise canceling off, and then you also have ambient sound. And then when you click on ambient sound, you also can adjust the ambient sound volume right here. So you can have high, medium, and low, and it just lets in more ambient sound. You're able to hear yourself more. It's a very good feature if you want to be more aware of your surroundings, obviously. And then you have your touch controls right here. So you can turn those off and on. If you don't want to have accidental touches, you can turn those off and on. But inside of here, you have tap to play or pause your music, double tap to go to the next track, and triple tap to go to the previous track. And touch and hold, you have the option to switch these. So touch and hold will switch noise control, active noise canceling to ambient sound. If I click on the settings right here, you can actually switch those to active noise canceling to off or ambient sound to off. I like it as active noise canceling to ambient sound, so I'm gonna keep it like that. You also have the ability to make Bixby option, volume down in Spotify. And then for the right one, you have the same controls right there. So I'm just gonna leave all that like that. This is exactly how I like it. And going back to the home screen, now you have your earbud settings right here. None of your earbud settings, it says you have an equalizer right here, but when you click on equalizer, you just get presets. So you got bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. And normally when that's the case, I just always go with treble. I always go with dynamic. Read aloud notifications, and it shows you, you can turn this off and on, and it shows you everything that you can do while reading out loud. It also says read aloud while using phone. I'll turn that on, and you can hit see all, and these are all the options right here. I thought there would be more, but there isn't more. Yeah, Bixby voice wake up. I don't use Bixby, So I'm going to keep that off, but the options here, you see that. Seamless earbud connection, I'm going to turn that on, and you can pause the video, you can read what that says, but that option is available right there. You have the earbud fit test, and so this is how you test out if the earbuds are sitting in your ears properly. So let me go ahead and run that really quickly. Good fit, as you can see right here. And what you want to do is make sure you're not talking, you're not chewing, you're not eating while you're running that, so that you can get a proper test. You also have your use ambient sound while during phone calls. So I do have that on so that you can hear more around you while you're in phone calls, while you're talking to someone. So that's always a nice thing to have, especially if you're like in a city environment and you need to pay attention to more people around you or more things going on around you. But if you want be able to be more tuned into the call, you obviously want to turn that off. And you also have labs right here. Let me click on that. It says double tap the edge of the left earbud to turn volume up or turn the volume down. So if you see right here, if you can tap the back of your ear and it turns up, so that's like really dope. And then if you tap the back of your left ear, it actually turns it down. I mean, to have that option just to touch your ear and to turn the volume down, normally I would not even worry about changing the volume on my earbuds through the earbud. I normally just use my phone or whatever. But if I can do this and have this feature work, I mean, it's super dope. It's very, very, very dope. I do like that feature. I mean, Samsung, come on. You guys are killing it right now. Just make this app available on iOS so that more people can enjoy it. That's all I'm asking. And you also have gaming mode right here, which helps reduce latency. And these also have reset, so you can reset everything back to how it was. I don't want that. You have accessibility right here. It says left or right sound balance, so you can adjust which one you want more sound to come out of. You also have noise control with one earbud. What is that? So it says noise control. Normally to prevent discomfort, noise control turns off automatically when you're using one earbud. Turn on this option to allow them to run with just one earbud. Noise control. Okay, so you have that option, and you also have customized ambient sound. So you can go in here, you can actually adjust the ambient sound, whether you want it to be more soft or more clear, higher on the left one, higher on the right one. I mean, it's just amazing the customization options that Samsung allows their users to have, not just with this app in general, but with the whole phone. I just love how out of the box thinking that they are. Also, you have earbud software update right here. It might try to update. Nope, it says it's updated. I first connected these and it automatically started updating these earbuds, so I'm good money. And then you also have about earbuds right here, and it gives you your version and all your serial number, good stuff right there. And then back to the main screen, you do have Find My Earbuds right here. Now, Find My Earbuds, I already set this up. It actually downloads the Smart Thing app, and then you get your location by navigation, or you can ring it. So I have to take these out. And if I hit ring, on here and hit start, you hear it. And it gets louder and louder. So if you have lost these in your house or something, and obviously the navigation is not going to work because it's going to show that you're right on top of it, having this sound come from these earbuds is a very nice feature. I do like that. I know my youngest daughter, she loses her AirPods all the time, and it's just like, I don't know, searching for a needle in a haystack because she doesn't remember where she put them. I don't know where she put them, and then she'll always have one in the case, and then one will be missing. So if you can play sound out of her earbuds like you can do on these, that would be definitely a huge, huge plus. And then so you can use the navigate, like I said before, and then it shows you your different devices. And I just have these buds right now hooked to that. Sprigg Street Lane, yep, Woodbridge, Virginia, that's where I'm from. Holla at your boy. And then it says tips and user manual. So you come in here and then you can get your tips. You do have your test fit, which I already ran through that. You have your touch controls, and then you also have add widget to the home screen. I don't want to do that right now. And then pairing with a phone or tablet. So this is telling you exactly how to put them back into pairing mode so that you can pair them to a second device, because these are able to be paired to a phone and a tablet at the same time, and if you're on your tablet watching a movie and the phone rings, it'll automatically switch over to these earbuds, and then when it hangs up, it'll go back to watching whatever movie you're watching. So it's always a nice feature to be able to connect to multiple things at one time. And that's pretty much it. That's everything inside the app. So before I get to sound quality, I did forget to mention that these are only rated at IPX2, so work out with them at your own risk. And then also, when it comes to sound, you are able to use these independently. And what I mean by that, you are able to use one earbud at a time while the other one's charging in the case, essentially doubling your battery life on these earbuds. Now for sound quality. Like I said before, these do have the two-way dynamic speakers on the inside. I don't see any issue with the sound quality on these earbuds for your average music listener. They have really nice bass, very good mids, quality highs, and that's pretty much what most people are just looking for. Unless you're an audiophile, then you're probably not checking for these in the first place. But overall, these do have very good sound for earbuds, in my opinion. For bass heads, most likely this is not for you. But for your average music listener, this is something that will definitely get the job done. And also one last thing for sound quality, when I was inside the app and I was adjusting the different presets with your, I think it was like bass boost, treble boost, whatever, the presets in the app on the equalizer, I really didn't notice any kind of difference. I don't know if it's just there to, I don't know, make people happy, but Samsung, put a customizable EQ in there. That's better than having presets in there. Get rid of the whole preset thing and just let people customize exactly how they want to listen to these earbuds. And that probably could be done with a simple software push. I don't know. That's just my opinion. Okay, so as you're hearing my voice right now, this is exactly how the other person would hear you on a phone call. I would not be able to tell exactly how this sounds until I get it in a post, so go ahead and leave your comments down below and let me know how you feel about them. But this is exactly how the other person would hear you. So let me go ahead and put some ambient noise on to see how much ambient noise that these block out. So as you can hear right now, I do have some music going on in the background. And this is exactly how it would sound when ambient noise is let in to your earbuds. So I'm hoping that it's not that bad, to be honest with you, but I guess I'll figure it out later. But I'll let you listen to it right now. And yeah, people, so that is the conclusion of my call quality test on these earbuds. Let me know how you feel. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know if these earbuds let in too much ambient noise, or if it just sounds like trash, or if they sound actually pretty good. Comment down below. So I tested out latency on all your usual video streaming services: YouTube, Hulu, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, Apple TV Plus, Hulu, Peacock, you know, all your usual suspects. And then I also gamed on these as well on the video streaming side or playing games. There were 0 issues with latency. And that's all I got for you people. That is my review on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. Apple users, don't even mess with these. Go ahead and stick to the Galaxy Buds Pluses if you do have those. These are definitely not for you. You're not able to utilize the app and get the extra features out of these earbuds like other people can. Android users, if you're thinking about upgrading to these, it's not a bad option. You know, you get very good sound. They're comfortable, a nice app, nice price point, and they look nice. I don't know if you want like a more of a matte look on the outside of these cases. This shiny look might not be for you if they had the same matte look like it does on the inside. On the outside, this matte white. I mean, that might be the only issue that I have aesthetically with these. But then as far as the functionality of these earbuds, the only thing that bothers me is not having a customizable EQ inside of the app. That's it. Other than that, I think these earbuds are a great option if you're in the market to upgrade to some new earbuds. These Galaxy Buds 2s, they definitely hit the mark in my opinion. They're most comfortable out of all of the Galaxy Buds line up, and you won't go wrong if you upgraded to these. My opinion, that's all. So as always, if this is your first time here, if you found any value in this video whatsoever, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notifications when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.